Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Magic Edit in Canva. So for this, I am here on canva.com. Here in the left side, we have upload section and you need to upload a photo on which you want to add a magic edit. So I want to add a magic edit on this photo here. Once you choose the image, then click on edit image and there we have this magic edit. Click on it. Now here you need to give command. So let's type add colorful flowers and abstract design on vases. Then you need to choose, if you want to choose a brush you can go with it, or if you go with the click. So let's go with the click here, or we can go with the brush looks more good. So you need to cover the area where you want to apply this command. Let's okay, it's good. Now click on generate. So here it will take few seconds, so you need to wait for a while, and here it will give you 4 different options and you can choose the one that you like the most. So here we have this option, then we have this second option, then we have the third one, and also we have the fourth one. I think this one looks more better. So in this way, you can use Magic Edit on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.